like to be a vegetarian. It affects my health, but yeah, I do feel better when I eat it.
We need the meat because of our brains. That those things that are coming from the meat is helping the brains.
I can imagine being a vegetarian probably for 1 week, but it's very difficult to be a vegetarian for the rest of my life.
It really gives me strength. When I don't eat it, I feel weak, a bit weak.
With the meat, I can make a very good sauce. I have tried a plant-based, but I don't like the taste, no.
It's weird to imagine like a vegetable taco is weird.
I feel like meat is just such a normal thing to eat, so you just do it without thinking about it.
We are carnivores. From the Stone Age, we have been eating whatever was available.
Look in the nature. Do you ask a lion, is it allowed for you to eat an antelope? Is it okay?
I think it's okay to kill them. If we don't kill them, it's going to be too much of them.